Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will be discussing two companies. One is Amber Enterprise Limited and the second one is Dynamic Cables. Okay, so the first we will discuss Amber Enterprise Limited. Like what does this company do and how has the Q2 FY25 result been? You know, what was the guidance given? Everything we will discuss. So first, the business model. If you look at Amber Enterprise, very simple in one line. If I have to tell you, they manufacture electronics and electronic related products that are there, and they supply to other people, right? Maybe the other brands that are there. So when you look at electronics or electronic product, what exactly do you refer to as electronic products? So the entire thing, the entire business model can be fragmented into three different segments. The first segment is consumer durables, where they manufacture, you know, यहाँ पर भी दो division है. One है आपका room ACs, जो आप RAC बोलते हो, ठीक है? This is where they manufacture different types of ACs. आपका indoor AC, split AC होते हैं, all of this. Then you have your non-RAC components or non-RAC things such as आपका, you know, all your products such as washing machine, fans, these are such, and also, you know, the components that goes to make these ACs, you know, the little electronic components. So this is one part of the business, and this is a majority part. Okay, so this contributes as of Q2 FY25. This is contributing 63%. So ये हो गया पहला वाला part, ठीक है? Second वाला part में they actually manufacture ये आपका printed circuit boards जो होता है ना, जो हम आप देख सकते हो. If you are, I don't know, from my generation who used a desktop, and you know, if you had a CPU and all, I think you'll be very much aware. आपका computer class में शायद आपको, you know, they would always take things and show. So in electronics division, यहाँ पे EMS में, if you see, they do this different types of PCB, bare PCB boards. यहाँ पे this contributes around 29%. Okay, आपका total Q2 FY25 का revenue. Then the last one is railway subsystem. This contributes 4%. यहाँ पे, you know, all this in rail में ये couplers जो होता है, gears जो होता है, right? All of these people manufacture. So 3 different units, all of them more or less related आपका electronics और electronic related items, ठीक है? Now if you look at the Q2 FY25 has been absolutely a stunner, okay, in terms of numbers. If you look at revenue has grown by 82%, and PAT जो है, PAT has gone from Q2 का last year में, Q2 of FY24, it was -6 crore, okay, and this time it is 21 crore. So -6 से 21 crore भी हो चुका है यहाँ पे. So you can see here, यहाँ पे of course loss से profit आए तो you get a huge operating leverage, right? आपका sales भी बढ़ा है. Both are also happening over here. You see, if you have to look at the individual segments अगर का बात करो, right? If you look at the consumer durables also grew by 95%. और इसमें the RAC part जहाँ पे ये AC बनता है ना, different types of AC, that grew by 104%. ठीक है? So here one of the reason was this time the summer season that is there, that got prolonged, you know, than the usual periods that were there last month, right? So this was one of the reasons why prolonged summers, and यहाँ पे lower channel inventory था. These were the two reasons why you saw that a huge growth यहाँ पे आ चुका है. Actually the major driver is, just a second, आंटी वो दरवाज़ा थोड़ा डाल दो ना प्लीज़. हाँ, ये थोड़ा सा डाल दो. Yeah, anyways, I think now you shouldn't hear some noise because a lot of vehicles were going. Anyways, coming back, if you look, what was I talking about? हाँ, ये consumer durables where, you know, the majority part is the ACs, you know, that's a main part यहाँ पे, is because we had a very prolonged summer and lower जो inventories था वो भी lower channel inventories था, ठीक है? This was one of the main reasons, and this also, like I told you now, if you look at consumer durables, that is a majority part, because if you look, this usually contributes between 60 to 65%. It keeps changing in that range, the revenue mix, but this is a huge contributor over here. The second part जो मैंने बोला आपको, जो यहाँ पे electronics manufacture करते हैं in terms of PCB या bare PCB, यहाँ पे here some very interesting part is happening. Okay, first of all, last time as of Q1 FY25 they told कि like इस segment में, ये जो PCB वाला segment है, यहाँ पे we will grow by 35% है. इसको हम guidance को revise करें, we will grow by 45% going forward, ठीक है? Now why they have done this revision of guidance is because if you see, we have got a lot of these tailwinds. We have got a lot of tailwinds now, because you have this Atmanirbhar project, and the government is pushing more and more so that you create in India for the Indian companies. And also recently also there has been a ban in terms of the import of these import of these PCB and PCB related boards that are there, or the circuit boards that are there. So this is also pushing them in one way. Other than that, they have two JVs. Okay, one एक Korean circuit Korea circuit के पास एक JV है, and the other one is with the Ascent Group. Okay, so these two also are हैपनिंग साइमल्टेनियसली. एंड एसेंट ग्रुप के साथ रिसेंटली यहाँ पे इन नियर बैंगलोर जो होसूर है इन तमिलनाडु, दे पुट अप अ प्लांट. ओके, दे पुट अप अ ह्यूज प्लांट जिसका आई थिंक 2 फेज में काम होने वाले. 650 crores का प्लांट उन्होंने, आई थिंक द एंटायर केपेक्स इज गोइंग टू बी 650 crores, राइट. यहाँ पे एक बड़ा प्लांट दे आर पुटिंग अप, एंड आई थिंक द टोटल इसका है इज अराउंड 8,40,000 स्क्वायर, आई थिंक स्क्वायर मीटर का एनुअल कैपेसिटी है. आई थिंक इट्स स्क्वायर मीटर या स्क्वायर मिलियन. सो इसका एनुअल कैपेसिटी है दैट दे ट्राइंग टू केटर ओवर हियर. द सेकेंड थिंग यहाँ पे लाइक आई टोल्ड यू ना, उनका एक और एक क्या बोलते हैं, और एक जेवी होने वाले विद कोरिया सर्किट. यहाँ पे इट इज ऑलरेडी हैपेंड. आई थिंक इट हैज टू जस्ट फाइनलाइज मटीरियली ओवर हियर. यहाँ पर भी विद दिस जेवी, ओके, इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ मिक्स ऑफ 70-30. सो 70%, या इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ 70-30. यहाँ पे 70% विल बी ओन्ड बाय एम्बर थ्रू वन ऑफ देयर सब्सिडरीज कॉल्ड JN Electronics, and 30% will be owned by Korea Circuits. Here also they're trying to, by getting them into board, by getting them into the picture, they're trying to expand their product portfolio, not just be producing PCB and PCB related VESA circuits or printed boards, but they're also planning to go into semiconductors and other kind of product portfolio. This is only push now, because the more product portfolio you have, let's say for example you are catering to, I'll give you an example, okay, you're catering to an AC का company. I think AC company will not be a right example, बट लेट्स से यू आर केटरिंग टू जो लैपटॉप बना रहे हैं. प्रॉबली अब एक लैपटॉप के लिए आप सिर्फ पीसीबी का बोर्ड यू आर सेंडिंग देम और सप्लाइंग इट टू देम. बट इमेजिन इफ यू आर एबल टू सप्लाई एज मेनी components as you can. Let's say if you are able to supply 70-80% of the components, not only you will have a much bigger product portfolio, but if as a vendor, if as a buyer, if I can buy from same vendor multiple products, it's also good ना. You will only have more advantage over here. आपका ही यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ भी आएगा, वैल्यू का ग्रोथ भी आएगा. सो दैट इज वॉट दे डूइंग ओवर हियर. So the first that I discussed, consumer durables, जहाँ पे 63% का रेवेन्यू आता है, we saw good, every parameter is good, वहाँ पे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. वहाँ पे रेवेन्यू हैज ग्रोन बाय 95%. आप मार्जिन्स अगर आप देखते हो, वहाँ पे EBITDA मार्जिन हैज ग्रोन फ्रॉम 5 to 7.1. When we talk about this EMS का डिविजन उनका जो है, that also has grown, right? In fact, it has overdone in terms of guidance also, because this grew. Let me get the numbers, because there are so many things to discuss with this business now that I need some notes. Anyways, if you look at this EMS division, this grew by 98% on Q2, and the guidance was कितना 45% से grow करना for the पूरा साल. And this time only they've grown by such a huge part, right? यहाँ पे so both the divisions that are there has been doing well. Now the third division that I told you, railway का subsystem that is there, यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत problem चल रहा है. So in spite of having यहाँ पे this contributes by the way hardly 4% to the revenue, okay? In spite of having यहाँ पे 2,000 crore का plus order books, it is somehow finding it very hard to materialize into the top line. क्योंकि यहाँ पे when you're working with the government, there can be a lot of delays in terms of projects getting a go live signal, and a lot of times it gets delayed ना, because you'll have to go through so many process and all, and that is what it is happening over here. उनका अगर मुंबई का मेट्रो में साथ they have a project which is also getting delayed. It got delayed by 8 to 9 months. Vande Bharat also, they are working with the AC coaches of Vande Bharat, that is also getting delayed over here. So as a result, now think here, the only problem is the project is getting delayed from the customer. The customer here is Government of India. That there is no problem with Amber Enterprise, right? And the second thing is, यहाँ पे important thing to note, although यहाँ पे इस segment में कुछ अभी हो नहीं रहा है, the other thing is the orders are not getting cancelled. It's just that it is getting delayed and delayed infinitely. I think the same problem was even with Focus Lighting, right? Because Focus Lighting was also trying to deal with Vande Bharat, where they are trying to supply the lights. They're trying to become I think an approved vendor, right? They have this developed and approved vendor, right? वहाँ पर भी उनको अभी same problem था. Similarly over here also. So is this segment में, which contributes hardly 4% of the revenue, it degrew by 6%, and this is the second quarter where this is happening. I mean, the problem is continuing to persist, but it happened even in the last quarter also. Q1 में, Q2 में भी यही हो रहा है. But having said that, again like I told you ना, hardly 4% का revenue growth है, मतलब I mean 4% का contribution है revenue में. I wouldn't really care that much when the most important part, वो consumer durables, it is a most important part, right? That is doing extremely well. And the second important part is EMS, because it is also contributing आपका 25 to 30% का revenue contribution. It is not small. Both of those two important segments are doing well, right? So all in all, a good set of numbers, good set of result. In this railway subsystem में that they have ना, यहाँ पर भी एक JV है. In fact, to produce lot of different products that are there with two companies that they have JV, and यहाँ पे ये लोग capex कर रहे हो, okay? One capex is in Sidwal, and the other one greenfield capex capex is with the JV with Eugen. So both of these capex that are there will be materialized either by Q4 of this year or Q1 FY26, that is Q1 of the coming year. So these are Q4 FY25 or Q1 FY26 में materialize हो सकते हैं, could be plus or minus 1 quarter, right? So this is about Amber Enterprise. Now the only क्या नहीं यहाँ पे कर दो फिर कर या नाउ द ओनली थिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ एम्बर एंटरप्राइजेस इफ यू लुक एट हियर आई अंडरस्टैंड कि लाइक यहाँ पे वैल्यूएशन बहुत हाई है राइट इवन इफ यू टेक 1 year फॉरवर्ड पी एंड यू टेक इट इन द बेस्ट केस सिनारियो राइट एब्सोल्युटली बेस्ट केस सिनारियो क्या होते हैं आपका FY25 का एक्सपेक्टेड पैट यू आर अज्यूमिंग कि लाइक इट विल डबल लाइक श्योर डबल हो जाएगा दैट इज अ बेस्ट केस सिनारियो दैट यू कैन थिंक ऑफ राइट इवन इफ यू टेक दैट ऑल्सो एंड यू टेक दैट 1 year फॉरवर्ड पी मार्केट कैप डिवाइडेड बाय दैट FY26 का expected PAT, it will come up to like I think 80 to 90, in that range it will come, right? Now here the problem over here with Amber is it is not that it is इसका valuation high, but यहाँ पे सारा का सारा game ही comes up to growth. Can they sustain the kind of growth that they have sustained until all this now? Then the PE is justified. Now what happens over here is when you enter such kind of engines, which is a high growth plus high PE engine, right? The company has to constantly perform, constantly keep performing at this high pace of growth for it to justify its valuation. Now let's say एक क्वार्टर में ना यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है where you know the pace of growth comes down, then what happens is investors who get into it they get trapped because the worst thing that can happen is you enter a high P engine, वहाँ पे growth है, operating leverage है, ROE is improving, guidance तो you know they are overdoing the guidance and everything they're doing, but यहाँ पे अगर उल्टा situation होता है ना, let's say operation का deleverage होता है, pace of growth कम होता है, guidance नहीं कर रहा है, ROE कम होता जा रहा है यहाँ पे, then you get really stuck. यहाँ पे the problem is not with valuation, the problem is जब growth कम होता है there is no margin of safety over here. That is the worst thing that can happen with Amber. So the only caveat over here, this company needs to perform every single quarter with the high growth engine that they are in this quarter every single time. Okay, then the next is we have is dynamic cables. In fact, you know what, I'm going to do a video on this growth and peak connection mein. I will put up a 4K scenario and I'll do a video. I think over the weekend I'll do the video because abhi to pura result season hai, you know, there are so many companies that are coming with the result, and then there is, you know, itna con calls attend karna padta hai live and everything. So I'll do it over the weekend. I think then, you know, you'll be able to understand this much better when I tell high growth, low P, high P and everything. ठीक है. Second we will talk about is Dynamic Cables Limited. Now Dynamic Cables Limited, just like the name itself tells, they make wire and cables, and यहाँ पे they're more focused on cables. And here also if you look at it, ना, they fall in that same category. आपका Polycab, KEI, all of this fall under same category. Nothing but they manufacture this wire and cable का company है यहाँ पे. ठीक है. The only difference that comes between all these companies is to whom do they cater to? Do they cater to private? Do they cater to public? You know what government companies they cater करते हैं. Here is one difference, and the second difference comes in the voltage. Some people will be doing higher voltage cables more, some people will be doing lower voltage. So इसमें product और किसको आप अपना product बेच रहे हो, on that the difference comes. आंटी 5 मिनट रुको ना, ठीक है. So first let us talk about the cables. Okay, if you look as of FY24, because these people don't give a breakdown every quarter, if you look, majority of the revenue is coming from high voltage, which is 60% of the revenue जो है is coming from high voltage cables. Okay, and of course ना high voltage में थोड़ा margin भी ज़्यादा है. And if you look at the revenue mix का breakdown, if you see, majority of the revenue is coming from private players, which is 64.5%, and then after that आपका government का portion जो है, government का portion is 23.2, and the rest is coming from export. And over here you see na, they have the higher portion coming from government compared to any other player. Like you take any other player, whether it is Polycab, KEI, Delton, Paramount, Universal, I think these people have the highest in terms of government contribution. Okay, so here अभी क्या हो रहा है, if you just go look back on the couple of quarters that is there, these people were planning a brownfield expansion in their Rengas, I think in Rengas उनका एक plant है, 20 करोड़ का expansion plan कर रहा था, and they by doing so they will be able to manufacture under full capacity probably 25,000 kilometers of cables. So this was the entire plan, and they had raised 96 crores also via QIP, and they plan to use it for this capex to better their working capital requirements. Now if you come to Q2 FY25 का result, you will see that पहला चीज़ है sales growth. Sales growth has been high. Sales growth has been the highest in fact compared to Polycab, KEI, Havells अगर आप compare करते हो, इसको compare करते हो, which is the fourth company that has come out in this space with the result. इसका आया है sales growth around 53%, ठीक है, which is the highest compared to Polycab का 30, KEI का कितना था, 15 या 18 था, Havells ka, no, KI was 16 I think, and Havells was around 15%. So this, right? And none of these three companies, if you remember, had operating leverage. Inka sara ka sara margins got hit very badly, right? Because of raw material ka prices, competition ka intensity बढ़ gaya, right? All of these things were there. But on the other hand, if you look at Dynamic Cables saw huge operating leverage. In fact, if you look, the PAT that is there has grown by 172%. Like, and even if you look just at operating profit also, that also has grown by 73%. So why are we seeing this huge operating leverage over here compared to other people, right? One, I think they had a lot of pent up demand from Q1 come to Q2, because Q1 if you see, their sales hardly grew by 15%, right? And Q1 we saw there was a lot of problem with, because of heat wave, because of elections, and these people work with the government. 23% is coming from government. So of course जो भी आप government को cater कर रहे थे, वहाँ पे थोड़ा payment आने में and everything थोड़ा रुक गया होगा, there could have been something, or probably आपका जो projects होना चाहिए था, it got delayed, probably you got the permission delayed, it could be any of these reasons. But having said that, these people are the only company as of now in the wire and cable space that is getting an operating leverage, that is not talking about any kind of problems that they're facing, either in terms of competition, either in terms of margins or anything. The only problem that I have with this company, let me tell you, Dynamic Cables, is lack of clarity, because यहाँ पे it is such a small company, now hardly less than, very very small company, that the problem over here with the small company and the lack of disclosure क्या होता है ना, you do not know what to expect the coming quarter. हाँ, इस like if you see Q4 में उसने तो बहुत अच्छा किया, Q1 में तो hardly 15% का growth था, अभी Q2 में आके कर रहे 52% का growth, that too. So what happens over here is, there is no, you do not know what to expect the coming quarter, right? Like for example, Polycab का इतना 20,000 करोड़ का guidance है, so you know what to expect, of KI. But here no clue what to expect. You just have to pray to God and sit के like भाई जब result आ रहे तो अच्छा result करवा के दो मुझे. It's like, when you're having a 10th grade का exam, you have to sit and pray कि like अच्छा marks आ रहे. That is one case. The second case is over here, when I'm talking about this Dynamic Cables, it relates to that only कि like इतना volatility है in terms of both sales as well as the EPS, right? You never know कि like sales का pace of growth क्या है, what is the reason कि like 15 क्यों है, 50 क्यों है. Again, whatever reasons I told, I assume because of the general conditions that are there related to the business. And you also don't know कि like EPS का quality इतना ज़्यादा है. So the only thing that you can go by is like you see the update and you have to taper with your allocation as it goes. That is the only thing over here. And if you guys are invested in such kind of businesses where आपको सिर्फ एक रिजल्ट डॉक्यूमेंट देके आपको डिसीजन लेना पड़ता है, then be very very careful with your allocation. That is all I can tell. ठीक है? So that's it for today's video. In अगला video I will discuss about some other companies. But आज के लिए इतना ही. Take care. Bye.